Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up and use the PIERRE GU10 RGB-CW Smart Bulb. To begin, we insert the bulb into a standard socket. Once it's properly secured, we power on the system and continue the setup process using the touchscreen display. We navigate to the menu, select Settings, then choose Add Wave I/O and tap Find Device. To put the bulb into pairing mode, we need to power it off and on 10 times. This toggling process triggers the pairing sequence. Once done, the system detects the bulb and displays it as a new device. We tap Add Found Device to begin configuration. We keep the default name and proceed by clicking Save and Continue, followed by Finish. Immediately, the RGB-CW LED bulb appears in our device list and is ready for control. We can now turn the bulb on and off with a single tap. By pressing and holding the icon, the brightness slider appears, allowing us to easily dim or increase the intensity of the light. Swiping right brings us to the Color tab, where we can choose any color from the full spectrum using the color palette. Next, we can access the preset options, offering a selection of predefined lighting modes for quick access to popular color settings. One more swipe to the right takes us to the White tab, where we can fine-tune the color temperature from crisp, cool white to soft, warm yellow, depending on the atmosphere we want to create. And that's it. Your PIERRE GU10 RGB-CW Smart Bulb is now fully configured and ready to use, giving you complete control over brightness, color, and temperature. Thanks for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.